All right, guys, in this lesson, we're gonna be looking at defense against a 2x4. Now, it's not actually a 2x4, it's just a big piece of wood. And we're looking at what's happening right now. People are being attacked with all kinds of different street weapons. That's what I call them, 2x4s, broken bottles, anything people could find in the street, they're using them as a weapon. So I got a question, is Nick, how do I defend from this? Now, Costa, get into a position. Now, the dynamics are not much more different than the baseball bat, right? Depending on the weapon, the range of the weapon, it changes a little bit, but more or less it's the same. Meaning that if he was planning to attack me with this, what I want to do is I want to step in, right? I want to step in. The instant I see him go, I want to step in. I want to use the blade of my forearms. I want to cover my head. I want to create almost like a triangle and come in and jam. I want to also tuck in my head, use my shoulder to protect my head. My hands come up, and I want to come in and jam it. Now, what I want to avoid, go slow, I want to avoid moving back because I'm going to get hit. I want to avoid doing this because I'm not stopping it or intercepting it. The hard part is to learn that as it goes, to go boom and step in. I'm going in with the blade of my forearms. I'm covering as much space as possible. From there, I want to trap. Now, I could trap the shirt. I could trap the hands. At the same time, depending if he continue this motion, what would you do? If he would do this, I would come over here. I would isolate the weapon, trap it. Again, grabbing the shirt. From there, elbow, pull back, grab the head, turn around. Can I strike? It really depends. Costa, what would you do from here? He would be pulling me in. Okay, great. This is how we ended up. If he came in here, again, I'm grabbing here. From there, I would come right over here. I would eye gouge and neck crank him. So, but the important part that I want you guys to get out of this video is understanding the dynamics of a weapon, right? The dynamics that if I was here, right, what I want to avoid is moving back, because what's going to happen, he's going to come back and it's going to boom, then I want to step in. So there's two moments that are crucial when you're faced. Again, not much more different than a bat. However, the dynamics are a little bit different because it's not as heavy and it's not as dynamic and it's not as easy to grab to hit as hard as a baseball bat. What you want to do, I'm either going to step in, right? Again, I don't want to step in at the end. The more speed it picks up, the more dangerous it becomes, right? So start going slow, power, 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 power. Full power of it is here. So I want to step in now with the blade of my forearms, or if let's say I'm here and he swings and I do this, boom, then I step in. Again, same principle, but if you see, I'm stepping in with this leg. So if I'm here and it does this, I'm taking a step. Go back. Costa, do it again. So I'm here, I'm doing this, but now I'm going boom, and I'm doing this step to maximize. Instead of pushing off here, I'm gonna go boom, and I'm gonna step in. Once I step in, I'm gonna trap, and I'm gonna go directly into my strikes. The important thing in this drill is knowing and being able to read the attacker, to move in. The instant, wind up, it's boom. The instant I see him, let's say he's holding it, and he's walking towards me. So you're putting it down like this. I see him do this, and he's going to walk, boom, I'm going to step in right away. I'm not going to let him get the grip, do the swing before I move in. Again, guys, I'm teaching you guys about awareness, right? I see him walking with this. Obviously, he's not coming to be friends with me. Chances, or maybe he's coming to attack me. So if I saw him walking towards me, put it down, and I saw this, I'd be a boom, I would strike him right away, and then I would jam it. Or if he swang and I did this, boom, and then I could come in, then I do it. Again, it's all about the timing and opportunity you get. Once you trap it, once I trap, depending if I'm here, if I'm there, I go into my strikes, elbows, headbutts, knees, but I want to keep that weapon. I want to isolate it, and I want to take him out as quickly as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.